Hey guys, it's Jess, and I'm excited to share a new card with you today featuring some awesome products from Trinity Stamps. The first stamp set that I'm using is called Sleepy Hollow, and it's got a bunch of adorable kind of fall-themed critters with pillows and blankets sleeping in a hollow of a tree. But I decided instead of using all of the woodsy elements that I've used previously on cards, I wanted to sort of change it up a little bit and pair it with the A Sentiment for Almost Everything stamp set, which is full of awesome sentiments that are ready to put on just about any card you could think of. So to get started here, I am doing a little bit of masking. So basically what I'm doing is stamping out the pillow image on a piece of full sticky post-it tape, and then I am cutting it out with a pair of really sharp fussy cutting scissors. Then I'm repeating that for 3 total pillows and 1 fox image. So I stamped out the fox image first because I want him to appear as if he's on top of a large pile of pillows, and then by putting the mask on top of the fox, you cover him up and then you stamp directly over top of that with your other stamps, and that allows you to go ahead and build up a scene. The reason I have used multiple masks here is so that when I am layering a bunch of the pillows together, I can cover up multiple areas at the same time and not have to worry about them being stamped on top of. This allows you to get really cool results and make the pillows go all sorts of different directions, and the only downside is that you do have to keep moving those masks around, which can be a little tedious, but I promise it's worth it in the end. Now you could repeat this with any sort of stamp that you have. I've done it with pizza boxes, pieces of cheese, all sorts of things like envelopes and mailboxes and things like that. So you can build up a scene using whatever kind of stamps you have to make it look like there's a pile when then something is on top, or even just a pile of something. I really love this technique. It's one of my favorite ways to build a scene. And then all you have to do is color it, or honestly you could not color it. That would be fine too, just depending on your card style. But it's totally up to you, and I really like the versatility of doing a background like this. So after this, I will be doing some alcohol marker coloring with my Spectrum Noir markers, and during that time I'll pop on some music so you guys can see the coloring process, but I have sped it up quite a bit or we would be here all day. I do hope you guys enjoy this process. It is a little bit longer, like I said. It's a little time consuming, but in my opinion it's worth it. I hope you guys like the finished results, but I will be back with you here in just a little while after we get all of the stamping, masking done, and the coloring as well, and we'll finish off the card together. Alright, so our coloring and our masking is all done. Now we can go ahead and finish off the rest of their card. I'm trimming this panel down to 4 by 5 1/4, and I do like to cut off the edges where the coloring is, because it just gives it a little bit of a more natural look when you can cut off some of those more maybe darker areas where you put a little bit more emphasis just because it was the edge of the paper. Then I'm going to use my mini MISTI, get my sentiment all lined up. I chose the sentiment, "Congrats on your new addition." I thought it was so cute to have that sweet little fox just sleeping on top of all those little pillows, and because I chose a variety of blues and gray here, I am able to get this more masculine or it's a boy feel for this card. This is by no means a traditional gender reveal card or new baby card, but I think it's really cool to have cards like this in your stash, and I hope you guys like it. Be sure to let me know what you guys think about this by dropping a comment down below. If you're not following me on YouTube, you can catch me at A Card Day's Work, and be sure to follow the Trinity channel as well so you never miss new products from Trinity or new videos from me. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.